everybody. Just thought I'd bring y'all a little update on what I've been going through, what I've been up to, not what I've been going through, what I've been up to, what your boy been up to. Man, it's been a bunch, man, you know. Sorry I ain't been giving y'all no videos. I ain't been having time to work on Shorty, man. I opened up me a shop, and I've been concentrating on my shop, you know. And here it is, Father's Day, on Father's Day. I'm out here working on my truck. But let me show y'all what I'm up to and give y'all a little today. Well, all I'm doing is going around, taking all the bolts loose. All the little 13mm bolts around the frame. Take them on out. Label all them frame bolts and stuff. But yeah, my little detail business / mechanic business, my little detail shop. And the reason why I ain't been able to, well, the reason why I haven't been putting no, damn, that fell. Okay. But like I said, starting the detail shop, concentrating on it, getting it going. You know what I'm saying? Getting it up and running and all that shit, maintaining it. That's why I haven't been putting out no videos here lately, but you know, I got some free time today. Sundays is my day, so that's when I take my time and do what I gotta do. Like I said, get all these little frame bolts and stuff out of here. Guess I don't need the impact because I took them all loose. Put them in the sandwich bag. Get all these bolts loose. But I'm about to take all these bolts loose. I'll cut y'all back on in just a minute. I got all them frame bolts out. Little 13mm frame bolts everywhere. Now what I'm about to do is see about fixing my shock tower. I don't know if y'all can see that, but zoom in on that. But y'all see how my tower look? If I can't get it to focus a little better. There we go. Y'all see how that look? Somebody put a washer, it's kind of ate out. Somebody put a washer right there to hold it in place, but I'm about to fix that real quick. Get it right. Let me get started messing with this real quick. I'll bring y'all right back. Man, I got that strut. I keep calling it the strut. My shock bolt. My shock mount. I got it welded, y'all. And I must say, hey, not too shabby for a guy in some Air Max and some gym shorts. And I ain't no professional, I don't claim to be no professional welder, none of that, but I'm gonna grind all that down real quick and see how it look, but shit, not too shabby. It look like it's gonna stick, that's all I care about. But let me clean it up, I'll bring that right back. Alright, got it cleaned up pretty good, shit. I'm satisfied with it. Like I say, I ain't no professional, I don't claim to be. But it's welded on there as far as I can tell. And it's gonna work. And I'm gonna use it. So, but now I'm about to power wash this thing off. And get ready to, and get ready to put some of the Por15 on it. I'll bring y'all back.